positive pa rin ang outlook ng BPI sa 19% tariff ni US President Trump sa Philippine exports. Narito ang agenda report ni Sujin Kim.
Sa gitna ng nagbabadyang epekto ng 19% Trump tariff sa Pilipinas, mismong malalaking bangko na ang nagsasabing hindi sila nababahala.
We think the impact for the bank's performance is very minimal, if at all, nothing, right? It's very minimal. We continue to see our corporates remain fairly bullish about prospects in the Philippines.
Ayon kay BPI President TG Limcaoco, kahit tumaas pa ang presyo ng ilang export products sa Amerika, maliit naman ito kung ihahambing sa kabuuang ekonomiya.
Yes, it might hurt our exports a little because it raises the cost of landing there. But really, when you think about our exports as part of our total economy and U.S. exports as a percent of our exports, it's actually very small already. Right? And many of our exports go to other countries.
And so the impact of tariffs is kind of muted. But for those that are engaging the export market, they're part of a chain and they're not necessarily absorbing the whole impact of tariffs on their costs. And so this is something we think the impact is kind of muted even for our exporter clients.
At maaaring ito pa ang maging dahilan ng pagbaba ng presyo ng ilang produkto sa bansa.
I think, Titas, you also have to realize like a country like China has to keep on producing, right? And so if their goods going to the US have less demand, they will keep on producing because that's the way their economy works. And so what will happen is those goods will come to other countries like the Philippines at lower prices. And in fact, you will see lower prices.
Sa gitna naman ng inaasahang interest rate cuts ng BSP, nananatiling matibay ang kita ng BPI.
You've seen the earnings of other banks in the Philippines, and I think there's a clear message that's going on in this country. This country, continues to do well. The banks are doing well, I think, and consumers remain confident in their futures.
Samantala, kinumpirma na rin ni Limcaoco ngayong araw ang kanilang expansion sa Singapore. Bubuksan nila sa Marina Bay Financial Center ang kauna-unahang Singapore office na inaasahang magsuservice sa mga Pinoy na may 50 million pesos pataas. Para sa agenda, Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.